Our home won't just be a space, it will be our feeling of love and togetherness. And it will be where we are, or wherever we go, it will be where we are together.
With Shri Krishna's blessings, मैं प्रतिज्ञा करता हूँ कि हम मिलकर अपने सपनों का खूबसूरत घर बनाएंगे। हमारा घर सिर्फ एक स्थान नहीं बल्कि प्यार और साथ का एहसास होगा, चाहे हम कहीं भी हो। जय श्री कृष्ण।
friends, and distinguished guests from India and all around the world. Jai Shri Krishna. Namaskar, and thank you for joining us in this sacred ceremony. At this moment, I'm overwhelmed with emotions, joy, gratitude, and deep devotion as I watch these two pieces of my heart, Anant and Radhika, unite in this eternal bond. In Hindu tradition, marriage is a solemn promise, not just for this lifetime, but for 7 lifetimes. Saat Janam Ka Saath. It's a belief that souls destined to find each other do so again and again, their love deepening with each lifetime. As we continue with the Vivah Sanskar, the wedding ceremony, we are about to witness the noblest of all acts in Indian culture, the Kanyadan, commonly signifying the giving away of the bride by her parents. But as a daughter myself, as the mother of a daughter, and also a mother-in-law, I know that no parents can ever give away their daughters. Daughters are life's biggest blessings and greatest joys. They are manifestations of Goddess Lakshmi, bringing abundance and auspiciousness to our homes and lives from the time they are born. They are the purest part of our souls, intertwined with our very being. How does one part with a piece of their heart? The affection, joy, and memories a daughter or Kanya has shared with her family over the years cannot be handed over. They are theirs forever. A daughter is not a possession to be transferred. She is a blessing to be cherished and treasured. She is a source of happiness, love, and light that will now also share with her new family. India's spiritual and cultural traditions hold women in the highest esteem. Our scriptures teach us, where there are daughters, there is auspiciousness. Daughters have a higher God-given power. हमारी बेटियां घर को स्वर्ग बना देती है. स्त्री पूजनीय है, वो जननी है, वो अन्नपूर्णा है. वो सुख, समृद्धि और ऐश्वर्य लाती है. इसलिए हम धरती को माँ कहते हैं, नदियाँ को माँ कहते हैं और भारत को भी भारत माँ कहते हैं. स्त्री ज्ञान है, बल है, सुख है, शांति है. इसलिए वो सरस्वती है, शक्ति है, लक्ष्मी है. स्त्री ही अनंत की अनंत चेतना है. Dearest family and friends, as we witness the Kanyadan, I wish to emphasize that Hinduism is Nitya Nutan. It is capable of constant self-renewal and self-reform with time. An Indian wedding rests on the foundation of perfect equality between Var and Kanya, between groom and bride, and also between their two families. Hence, the true cultural significance of Kanyadan is that the bride's parents accept the groom as their son and entrust his family with their precious daughter. My dearest Shaila and Viren, today you're not giving away your daughter to us. Rather, you are gaining a son and a new family. Our dearest Anant now belongs as much to you as our dearest Radhika belongs to us. Mukesh and I promise you that Radhika will always be protected as our daughter, cherished as Anand's soulmate, loved as Isha, Anand, Shloka and Akash's sister, and adored as the most doting Kaki and Mami to Prithvi, Adya, Krishna and Veda. My dearest Radhika, with open hearts and lots of love, we welcome you as the youngest Bahu of our family, as Mrs. Radhika Anant Ambani. May our Devis and Devtas shower you and Anant with all the love, laughter and happiness in the world. May your path together be blessed always and forever. With that prayer in our hearts, dear family and friends, we now proceed with the Kanyadan. Thank you.
Our most valued family, friends and guests, especially our friends from around the world who have come from a long distance. Good evening. We have with us as our special guests today our spiritual and religious leaders. They have come specially to bless Anant and Radhika. आप सबको मेरा सादर प्रणाम और खूब खूब स्वागत. To all our guests today, on behalf of Neeta and me, I have to say that the Bharat took over and we could not welcome you as we would have liked to from our heart. So my apologies. We wanted to welcome each and every one of you. And I take this opportunity that Neeta, I, along with Shaila and Viren, welcome each and every one of you with a warm heart. In the Indian tradition, marriage is between two individuals, whereas a wedding is between two families and all their friends and near and dear ones. Therefore, we are profoundly grateful to all of you for sharing our joy and excitement at the auspicious wedding of Shubh Vivah Sanskar of Anant and Radhika. This is the final and the most auspicious ceremony of their divine union and the last wedding in our family. Neeta has worked very hard to curate a deeply immersive experience of India's rich culture and a spirit of a traditional Indian wedding. Over the next 2 days, participate wholeheartedly in the festivities and enjoy them to your heart's content. I am sure all of us together will make memories that will last forever. I must say that we have started well. I was overjoyed to see many of you dance rapturously in the Bharat ceremony as a part of the groom's procession. And only I thought that I could dance with my granddaughter, but Boris beat me to it. He had 2 daughters with him and he did a great job, Boris. So that truly was a hurricane, wasn't it? Now the calm has descended. It's time for the sanctified rituals of a traditional Hindu marriage in the presence of all our loved ones and well-wishers like you. On this long-awaited occasion, I invoke with utmost devotion the blessings of our Kul Devta, our Gram Devta and Ishta Devta and all the elders of the Ambani and the merchant families. The first to bless Anant and Radhika will be their doting grandparents, those who are with us today and those who are in heaven. Today I pray to the Almighty that Radhika and Anant be so blessed that their life together is filled with Sukh, Swasthya, Samriddhi and Safalta, happiness, health, prosperity and success. I also pray for the good health and the limitless happiness and the boundless success for each and every one present here and your blessings for Anant and Radhika. On this auspicious day, together with all of you, we invoke Panch Tattva, the 5 foundational elements of Mother Nature that nurture all life on planet Earth so that they offer strength and sustenance to the couple. सनातन धर्म में विवाह को जीवन का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण संस्कार मानते हैं। अनंत काल से विवाह व्यक्ति को समाज से, धर्म से और अध्यात्म से जोड़ता है। When marriage is performed according to the Sanatan Vidhi, it acquires the divinity of celestial unions. Just as Lakshmi resides in Vishnu's heart, Anant will always keep Radhika in his heart. This will make their married life beautiful, blissful, smooth, and cultured. The Vedas regard marriage as a duty towards humanity. Marriage is the basis of a family. Family is a basis of community, and community is the basis of society and the larger human family. Marriage thus becomes the most essential guarantor of the continuity, cohesion, and well-being and progress of the human race. Therefore, the matrimony of Anant and Radhika commits them to serve humanity as a whole. Friends, guests, ladies and gentlemen, the air is filled with spiritual aroma. Gods and goddesses have descended from heaven into this Vaikuntha Lok. All of you have settled. And now, with your blessings and good wishes, let us begin the most pious ceremony of Shubh Vivah. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.
रब्बा मैनू की हो गया दिल जानिए हाय मैनू की हो गया सुन के तेरी बातें सोने यार वे माही मैनू तेरे नाल प्यार वे हाय मैं मर जावा दिल
बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो
गोविंद 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 बोलो हरि गोपाल
जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीताराम। राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीताराम। राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीताराम। राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीताराम। जय जय राम कृष्ण हरि, 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 जय जय राम कृष्ण
जब से हुआ है ये अच्छा सा लगता है, दिल हो गया फिर से बच्चा सा लगता है।
इश्क रगों में जो बहता रहे, जाके कानों में चुपके से कहता रहे, तारे गिन सोए बिन सारे गिन, एक हंसी मजा है ये, मजा है
जाने हो कल कहाँ हम मिले ना मिले, हम रहे ना रहे, रहेगी सदा यहाँ प्यार की ये दास्तां, सुनेंगे सदा जिसे ये ज़मीन आसमां। माना अनजान हूँ मैं तेरे वास्ते, माना अनजान है तू मेरे वास्ते, मैं तुझको जान लूं तू मुझको जान ले, आ दिल के पास आ, इस दिल के रास्ते। हाल है वो मेरा हाल है, इस हाल से हाल मिलाओ,
ताल से ताल मिलाओ, ताल से ताल मिलाओ।
के आयो रे सखिया आयो रे,
आयो रे सखिया आयो रे,
के आयो रे सखिया आयो रे,
आयो रे सखिया आयो रे,
के आयो रे सखिया आयो रे। जाएगी आज मुरली की धुन मन मगन मगन होकर के आज नाचे बिरहन के साथ साथ। के आयो रे सखिया आयो रे,
आयो रे सखिया आयो रे,
के आयो रे सखिया आयो रे,
आयो रे सखिया आयो रे,
के आयो रे सखिया आयो रे।
आयो रे सखिया आयो रे।
तू ही तो सतरंगी रे, तू ही तो मन रंगी रे, तू ही तो सतरंगी रे, तू ही तो मन रंगी रे। दिल का साया हम साया सतरंगी रे, मन रंगी रे। कोई दूर है तू, क्यों दूर है तू, जब राज है तू, एहसास है तू, कोई ख्वाब है परछाई है सतरंगी रे, मन रंगी रे। इस बार बता मुझ और हवा ठहरेगी कहाँ, मौसम मौसम हंसते रहना, मदम मदम हंसते रहना। सादिया हो सादिया हो, मदम मदम तेरी गीली हंसी। सादिया हो सादिया हो, सुन के हमने सारी गीली हंसी।
पहली बात तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने हमें इनवाइट किया।
मैं रिलायंस फैमिली के साथ 9 साल से हूँ। हमें अभिमान है कि हम इस प्रकार के जॉब में इन्वॉल्व हैं।
It's been for about like 19 golden years. We were kids little then, and now we are like working in their own form.
जय श्री कृष्ण और आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत। ये अनंत और राधिका के लास्ट सेलिब्रेशन है, बट मेरे लिए ये मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट सेलिब्रेशन है।
I can see so many familiar faces here who have been with us for many years.
आप सबके कारण ही हमारा परिवार एकजुट है। आप सब हमारे परिवार के एक हिस्सा जैसे ही हैं।
आप लोग ही हमारे लिए सबसे महत्वपूर्ण लोग हैं। आपके बिना ये सब बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता था।
इतना बड़ा फंक्शन में एम्प्लॉय को एंट्री देना कि हमारे लिए बहुत ही हम भाग्यवान समझते हैं।
आनंद सर के साथ में पहले साथ में चलता था एज ए प्रोटेक्शन से, पुलिस से।
हम तो बचपन से उन्हें देखते आ रहे हैं। उनका नेचर स्वभाव इतना है कि वो सब सोच के करते हैं कि सब नीचे वाले मेरे साथ में रहे, उनका आशीर्वाद मेरे साथ में रहे।
उनका जो दिल है भगवान ने इसे फुर्सत से बनाया है।
You will have a certain perception about them, but they're just too nice of people.
एक्साइटेड ये है कि हमारा जो कल्चर है उसको ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में झांकी के स्वरूप में ये प्रेजेंट हो रहा है हमारा कल्चर।
I think that's what NMACC also stands for. Like the motto is bringing the best of India to the world and the best of world to India. It's very lovely of NMA ma'am who's gone to Varanasi and seen the entire thing and then visioned it and then brought it over here. It's something which is commendable. It's out of the world.
मेरे को मेरी बच्ची के वजह से हमको ये देखने को मिला।
जिंदगी भर हम लोग नहीं भूलेंगे ये. Not a lot of companies call their employees for such an intimate function. I mean, having A.R. Rahman, the living legend, perform.
A.R. Rahman was like, a dream come true.
Like, I am a fan and I've wanted to watch him perform live since forever, so I'm blown away.
I just can't believe it till now. Even Shreya Ghoshal, Sonu Nigam, they were just outstanding.
जियो ने जो हमारी हिंदू भारतीय संस्कृति को जो मैसेज दिया है वर्ल्ड पे, वसुदेव कुटुंब, वो मुकेश भाई ने जो किया है उसके लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक यू।
हमारे बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं हैं आनंद सर को, राधिका मैम को।
ये जोड़ी बहुत सलामत रहे, हमारा आशीर्वाद हमेशा उनके साथ में रहेगा, वो हमेशा खुश रहेंगे, सेहतमंद रहेंगे, यही दुआ है हमारी।
Hi Radhika, hi Anand. We wish you all the very best for your new beginning.
We're just so happy to be a part of something like this. Thank you for having us at your wedding and congratulations once again.